Hello friends, welcome back to another important video. Friends, if you are a CIB aspirant, then it's a very important video for you. Do watch this video till last, as this may be the difference between your passing and failing in this important examination. So if you are facing CIB for the first time, then I would like to tell you that case studies forms an integral part in CIB examination. And most often candidates who fail in this examination often fails to solve case studies only. Now, syllabus of ABM paper is such that it's tedious for both commerce and non-commerce graduates to tackle this paper. Now, over the years, I have seen that commerce graduates perform badly in Module B, that is Business Mathematics, while non-commerce graduates find Module A, that is Economics, and Module C, that is HRM, very challenging. Not only this, from last 2-3 years, IIBF has also raised the level of CIB examination. But unfortunately, your textbooks have not risen at all. The usual textbooks which you are holding in your hands are still 2-3 years old editions. Now friends, as you know, last year I started BFM case studies course. And that course had many students in passing their BFM with ease. There were many students who were struggling to clear their BFM from last 2-3 years. And that course proved to be a game changer in their examination. So on request of many CIB aspirants, especially those who failed to clear this important examination, I am now starting this online ABM case studies course from 1st August. Now this is a very special course like BFM case studies course. First of all, this is not a theoretical course, that is, I won't teach you chapter by chapter, line by line or topic by topic. I will focus only on case studies from ABM paper. As said earlier, that students from both commerce and non-commerce backgrounds find ABM very tedious to handle. With this course, I will make sure that you don't lose the battle this time around, since the level of ABM is rising year on year with respect to questions and case studies. Now you must be wondering how well this course will benefit you if you haven't finished your syllabus. Well friends, the format of this course is such that even if you haven't finished your syllabus, even then you won't have any issues. The format of each class is, first I will explain you the concept in detail and then we will do a detailed case study with respect to that topic. So let's say topic of the video is union budget. So first I will explain you the detailed concept and then we will do detailed case study that will make the concept of union budget crystal clear. As you can see, even if you have no idea about union budget, even then you won't have any issues in understanding the concept. Now friends, the tentative list of lectures or case studies are in description to this video. I am targeting 100 plus super special case studies in this course. The level of case studies will range from easy to advanced level. So as usual, one thing that I can guarantee you is that you will get absolute quality after enrolling into the course. Next friends, how to judge the quality of a course? Well, the best way to judge the quality of anything is to see the reviews. And I got some very good reviews of BFM course from all the enrolled students. Some of the reviews are, first is from one of the students which goes like this: I am a scale 2 in Bank of Baroda and trying since 2017 but could not clear even a single paper before. After enrolling into the BFM course, I could cover almost 40% of the course and this proved to be a game changer for me. You taught conceptually, which helped me in solving BFM paper very confidently. Now the detailed review is here, you can pause the video and read it yourself. Then the second review is from another student working in Bank of India as scale 1. And this goes like this: I took your BFM case studies course and then happened a miracle. I prepared for just 20 days with complete dedication from BFM case studies course and cracked CIB in very first attempt. Everyone is shocked to see my results now. Now friends, you can again pause the video and read the detailed review here. So friends, in this new ABM course also, you can expect the same quality, standard and dedication. Now friends, apart from lectures, you will also get my priority reply to your queries with respect to lectures of the course. In case you have any issue in any video or lecture, then you will always get my priority and I will reply to your queries with respect to that lecture within 24 to 48 hours. Now friends, this course at present comes with a 1-year validity. And it's just one-time enrollment for you. And you don't need to pay anything before expiry. Now friends, this is plenty of time for you to prepare and clear your examination. We will cover most of the question types and cover almost every case study type before your examination in December. Now friends, I am targeting to cover this course week by week and my aim is to finish the course by mid-November. that is before your examinations in December. The course will start from 1st August and every week lectures will be uploaded just like we did in BFM Case Studies course. And you can watch those lectures anytime as per your convenience. So friends, the link to enroll into my ABM Case Studies course is there in description to this lecture. So just enroll now and you will receive joining mail on 31st July. Now last but not the least, as a token of thanks and my gratitude towards my students, first 100 students will receive early bird discount by enrolling before 31st July. So just enroll now from the link given in description to this video. So thank you and I will meet you inside the course on 1st August.